Hey guys from StackAI, hey Tony, Rafa here from Brazil, and it's a pleasure meet you guys today. Um, I am here to share what I did on this challenge to be your next front-end engineer or founding engineer. I don't know what is the role. Um, the object of this challenge here was build a custom file picker inspired by this one here, and it's just like the is similar to this one here, and this the main function, the main features of this application are read the folders, bring the folders from the StackAI API, um, navigate inside of these folders and documents, create KB, um, index the files and delete from the KB for the QE, not delete the document. And uh, here we have to show the status and some UI things, skeletons and prefets, and some bonus points. For you guys, be honest, I did everything, all of the features here, the bonus, everything, okay? And this entire application I did using all the technologies present here without ShadCN. All the components are built from scratch using Tailwind Mobile first. Okay, I didn't use sustain 2. I did context API. Okay, to show to you guys what I did, I will enter in a private screen here, private display here, and you guys can see my application, and you saw a skeleton. This skeleton is here because we have to show to the client, to the client know the application is running. So when you enter in my application the first time, you're gonna see this skeleton because we are fetching the data from the API. So um, to know, you know, to share, to improve the accessibility, to improve the user experience, to show to the user, okay, your application is running, you have to wait a little bit more. And I always show this skeleton. You can see is similar with the previous layout. We can see here files, websites here, don't do anything. If I click here, uh, the same here, and here we have some actions. If we click, I will explain everything. Okay, first of all, like I said before, I did a custom research. This layout here I built inspired by the real Google Drive Windows application. I don't know if you guys use Windows, but I never used it Mac before. I don't know if you guys are exclusive using Mac, but here in Brazil it's not cheap to buy a Mac, so I am using Windows. So I just built this layout here to show to you guys the mobile first, what I can do about this other devices too. Okay, so let's focus on this one. um, if I click here, you're gonna select all of the folders, and you guys can see the status are changed. Has changed. Here is not indexed. If I click here, it's pending. So if I click here on the folder, we can select and index all of them. So we gonna do this, but I will show more things before. Here we have some sort. We can organize. We can organize like this, and the default is always folder first. Okay. Filters only folders, only files, all files. The default is all folders too. All files. Sorry. We have here status. We can processing, pendings, indexed, and all. And here we have a search bar too. If I write some different thing here, gonna show a message. And if I put some similar thing what we have, it's gonna show and gonna filter in the right way. So we're gonna filter in the right way. So it's working. And here we have the folders. I saw in the challenge on Notion, you guys was telling to don't do the prefetch from all the files, and I did a prefetch, but I did a prefetch on the previous mode. If I click here, we're gonna see the skeleton again, and now is saved on cache because we are using cache using SWR. And if we click here again, it's more easy to enter and to navigate on this folder. And to prefetch, I did a different way. If you click here, you're gonna see a previews what you have on this folder, and if you click here, is prefetched right now, and is more easily to bring the information. So I did this way of the prefetch, and if I click here too, you're gonna update the screen, and you're gonna show the data more easily, more quickly. So let me show here. We have a performance, so is running, is very good of performance. And I will show to you guys what I did too. If I click here, you're gonna index this folder and the item inside of the folder. So I click here, and we have selected two documents. So if I click here, we have this one right here. So I put a different way to know, okay, I'm indexing the folder and all the files inside of this folder. So I did this different way to improve the application. And yeah, I think is a good way to improve the performance and the application. About the indexing, if I click here, we're gonna the status are changed. Now we have pending on this item. If I click again, we have not indexed. I will index all of the text files, and we have the message here. If I click here, we are now indexing, and our application is hitting the API with the needed informations. Now we have custom tools here. You guys saw previous status was processing, and now we have indexed, and all these selected files now we are indexed. So if we click here again, now we don't have the index file because this document is already indexed, and we have only this button here to cancel this indexed. And if I click here, we are doing the same way, but we are doing just canceling this document are not indexed anymore. And you guys can solve you saw the React toast. This item is not indexed anymore, so you can see here not indexed. So if we click here, pending, we can filter pendings, processing, and we can just index again to show to you guys our functionality and how this application works. You can see you can see you can saw before because we are using context API. So update the screen and all the items back to not indexed. If I reload here, all of them are not indexed anymore. So I think it is. We can do this. We can change the status. You can filter. You can um, change the device is running, and I'm very proud of what I did. And to finish this video, um, I will share to you guys on email, on the WhatsApp too. And to finish, what I can bring to you guys, um, I'm very excited to join in your company. I believe this this opportunity will be a real life changer to me, because I'm looking to international opportunity. I'm doing a lot of interviews, but I really like it about StackAI. I'm following you guys just like more than 1 month ago. I follow and I send a lot of connections to Burnout, to a lot of guys inside of the company, and I'm really excited to be your next front-end engineer. I'm ready to improve my skills. I have to be honest to you guys. I never go to English class. I'm improving my English day a day, and I always learn by myself. And just like in the software, I went to the college, but I didn't finish it. But I always learning different ways to improve my skills, to improve the techniques, to learn some different technology, and I'm here to bring to you guys a lot of professionalism. I'm very excited to contribute with you guys, to learn with you guys, to learn it from our guys from MIT. It will be a pleasure, and I will be truly honored if I join in your company. I will give everything. I will give my blood if I need it to achieve success with you guys, and of course growth the Stack AI name, growth the company, and count with me to improve, to learn, to teach if I have to need to teach some junior, of to share with you guys, to create some content, to different content, to think inside of outside of the box. So count with me, okay? Tony, Bernal, will be a pleasure. Will be a pleasure, and I'm very excited to if I join in your company. I can scream right now because it's in the morning. I didn't sleep it yet, but count with me, okay? Count with me. Um, will be a pleasure. Will be a pleasure. Okay. So I think it is. I will end this video right now, and I am waiting your contact to go ahead or to discuss more about what I did on this project. Okay. So bye bye, and I'm waiting, excited your contact. Bye bye.